just in case you're a little bored, there's a dartboard. Oh, I suck. So I can get closer to the. Whoa, you saw that? I'm better than most of the guys here.
Mystix presents Vintage Cruis'n USA.
So at least we got that back, and then whatever I end up doing with the carburetor, I could, you know, we could at least try to start it, but I do have to try to make a gasket for that one that's missing. See if maybe I can get that accelerator pump to work, but I can't do anything until I get gas for it.
Okay,
So
so
I can fill the carburetor up and test it right where it's at. But
now you're taking out the gas?
what's that?
You're taking out the gas?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to siphon it out right now.
From where?
The hose that goes through it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the supply line that goes to the fuel pump. So I'm hoping that I can get it to just come out and start flowing. Do you know how much gas is in this thing?
No, he told me to clean the lines.
Yeah, well.
When if you were gonna drive this car, I asked him, what would you do? The first things that you would do. He goes, oh well, definitely clean out the fuel.
Yeah.
I never said anything like that.
It's a kit car from Popular Mechanics.
I just need to hold the fuel line so it keeps siphoning.
Now another AT&T word of the day. Today's word: internet. Definition: internet that could be.
Okay, it opens up like this, and then it goes. The top goes up. So then, essentially, these two things will be beds.
Yeah.
And you get to sleep, and in the back there would be like the stove and everything inside there.
Is this yours?
Yeah, it's mine. I'm gonna take my cats in there.
Yeah, it's just siphoning in there right now, so. That's what I need.
Second tank, basically. Oh, almost full.
Yeah, I was just kind of playing the game. I'd rather start with the empty one.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about it overflowing.
Right.
Plus, it's heavy.
Yeah, this one's starting to get close, so.
No more gas.
Well, that or I could interrupt it. You try one little trick here.
Most of the gas that was left was actually not that gross or old, so it's a good thing. What's he gonna do next? Probably need this.
Alright.
So what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna blow some air in this. Make sure we got all the gas out of it.
I'll look over here for you.
Don't go right next to it, because it might
Yeah. It's just leaking a little out.
Is it just making air noises?
It's making air noises and a little tiny bit was coming out, like just barely, like dripping.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Yeah, so I'm over here so I can give you the... I'll be behind it so it won't come out on me.
It's still coming out?
Yeah, just a little. It's just like trickling down.
It's probably empty. Well, being that it's not that real big tank, I mean, you might have filled the damn thing up. Who knows? I wonder if I could, you know, being old school, I might be able to check this out real quick. Or drain these bastards that straight shot.
Just not working out right well. Oh really? You're gonna do it that way?
It might work. We'll find out.
You got somewhere to put that though?
What's that?
The gas that comes out?
I'll find something else to put it in. As long as I got it.
This is the old school way, just in case you run out of gas. Just
Yeah.
get it from someone else's
How
tank.
you use it? Well, I'm not hitting the gas.
Must be almost.
It might be empty. Or just about empty. Well,
Oh,
that could be flowing around in the bottom of it. Who knows? It's got to be empty. That's why I'm not hitting it.
the oil filter. The oil filter.
That's the filter, and I guess you don't.
The oil filter. The oil filter.
That's the filter, and I guess you don't.
The oil filter. The oil filter. The oil filter. The oil filter. The oil filter.